Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today we have the recipe to prepare an indulgent sweet Jangri. This sweet is typically served during special occasions. Preparing this sweet is no rocket science. With the tips we will share today, you can easily prepare this at home. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. For the ingredients, please check the description section. First, I will wash and soak black gram, that is Urad dal. I will soak it for 1 hour. Meanwhile, let me start preparing the sugar syrup. First, I'll add sugar to a pot. Then I'll add water. I'm using 2 cups of sugar and 1.5 cup of water. Once it starts boiling, I'll be adding powdered green cardamom and a slice of lemon to prevent crystallization of sugar. For rose flavor, I'll be adding a little amount of rose water. This is totally optional. I'll boil the syrup till it is sticky. Then I'll grind the soaked lentils till I get a smooth paste. I'll be adding rice flour followed by tiny bit of salt. And mix it to check the consistency. If you want the jangri to be soft, you can add 2 tablespoons of water. And for the trademark red color, in goes a little amount of red food color, and I will beat the batter thoroughly for 5 minutes with the help of a spatula. This makes the batter aerated and light. To check whether the batter is aerated, I'll drop a small amount of the batter in a bowl containing water. It should float immediately as it is shown in the video. Now it is the time to fill up the piping bag with the prepared batter. I'll be cutting out the tip just before frying it. I'll heat up oil in a shallow pan. For the authentic taste, in goes a little amount of desi ghee. Then I'll start drawing the jangri. First I'll draw 2 concentric circles followed by tiny curls above it. It is no rocket science, as I said. You can practice this on a plate before you draw it in the oil. Once the jangri is fried, I'll take it out from the oil and allow it to cool for few minutes before I drop it in warm sugar syrup. I'll be soaking this for at least half an hour. Once it has soaked thoroughly, it will just melt in the mouth. A person with a sweet tooth will definitely go weak in the knees once they taste this yummylicious treat. I'm sure by now your mouth will be watering, so quickly try this recipe and kindly let us know your comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.